Chrome Music Lab songs, virtual music on the web, new tricks. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into something super fun and creative, Chrome Music Lab. This is an amazing web-based tool by Google that lets you explore music in a fun and interactive way. Whether you're a musician, a teacher, or just someone who loves experimenting with sound, this is for you. So let's jump in and make some awesome music. Chrome Music Lab is a collection of music experiments that help you understand sound, rhythm, melody, and more. It's free, accessible on any device, and doesn't require any downloads. Here you'll find various tools like Songmaker, Rhythm, Spectrogram, Arpeggios, and more. But today we'll focus on Songmaker to create our own music. Songmaker is a simple yet powerful tool that lets you create melodies, add rhythms, and customize sounds. Let's take a quick tour. showcase interface, grid system, note placement, instrument selection. To add a note, just click anywhere on the grid. The higher you place it, the higher the pitch. And if you want to remove a note, just click on it again. Demonstrate different instrument options. You can also change instruments for both melody and percussion. Let's hear how it sounds. Play a quick demo. Alright, let's create a simple tune step by step. Step 1, laying down a basic melody. First, let's add some notes in a pattern that sounds catchy. Step 2, adding rhythm. Now, let's add some percussion to give it a beat. Step 3, adjusting tempo and experimenting with settings. We can also change the tempo to make it faster or slower. Let's tweak it a bit. Step 4, playing back the song. And now, let's listen to our final track. Play the created song. Once you're happy with your creation, you can easily share it with your friends by copying the link. You can also download it as a MIDI file and use it in other music software. Before we wrap up, here are some cool tips. Try using different instrument combinations for a unique sound. Also, experiment with patterns and tempo changes to make your song more dynamic. That's it for today, guys. Chrome Music Lab is a great way to have fun with music, whether you're a beginner or an expert. Let me know in the comments if you created something cool, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more awesome content. See you in the next video.